In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the link color in a single text block. Whether you're customizing an email or updating a website, adjusting the color of just one link in a block of text can make a big difference to the appearance and readability of your content. And don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to click on the specific text block where your link resides. This is often where most people get started when editing content, as it provides a focused space to make all the necessary adjustments. By selecting this text block, you are essentially telling the editing tool, hey, this is the part of the content I want to work with. Once you're looking at the text block, the next thing you need to do is highlight the specific text that contains the link you wish to modify. By clicking and dragging your cursor across the link text, you ensure that your changes will be applied precisely to the link and not to the surrounding text. Highlighting might feel like a simple action, but accuracy here means your content remains professional and your intended edits come through clearly. Now comes the fun part, changing the color. Look toward the toolbar where you'll see the text color icon, often represented as an A with a color bar beneath it. This icon is your gateway to a world of creative possibilities. Clicking this will usually bring up a palette of colors or a custom color selector. If your software offers a palette, you'll see a selection of colors, typically ranging from basic choices like red and blue to more advanced hues. Choose your desired color from the palette available. Remember, when choosing a link color, think about factors like legibility and contrast with your background. You want to ensure that it's visually appealing yet accessible to anyone reading. Consistency with your overall design theme is key, so consider how this new color fits into the larger aesthetic of your project. With your color selected, simply click on it and you should see the link text in your block immediately changing to your chosen color. This visual feedback confirms that your edit has been successful. By changing a simple element like link color, you're drawing viewers' attention effectively and ensuring important links stand out in your content. And there you have it. With just a few quick steps, you've customized the color of a link within a single text block, making your content both more engaging and easier for your audience to navigate. Remember, these small adjustments can really polish your emails or web pages, adding a professional touch to your work.